welcome back to my channel. My name is Chayla, for those of you who are new, and for today's video, I'm just going to be filming a nighttime routine. I never film night routines, like I only film morning routines, so it's going to be very different, but I'm really excited for it. I just got off work at 6 o'clock, and now it's around like 6:45, and the first thing that I do when I get home is I automatically take a shower, take my makeup off, everything like that. Since I do work with patients all day and like COVID is still a thing, I try to like shower first thing. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm not cooking tonight because I got Chick-fil-A and it's bachelorette night. Well, bachelor night, so I'm really excited. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, please press that subscribe button, join the fam, everything like that, and let's get started. So the first thing that I do, like I said, is wash my face. I like to do my eye makeup first, and I just have this eye makeup remover. It's just from Maybelline, and I just have a cotton ball. So we're just going to take off all my makeup. Okay, now that my makeup is off, time to hop in the shower. And I'm gonna take a hot shower because I'm freezing in this house. So excited. I really need to do my skincare because I've been slacking the last few days and my face has noticed it because I have a lot more pimples. Well, not more, honestly, it probably looks the same, but yeah. I literally have one of these headbands for everything in my life. So I have one headband for makeup and one headband for washing my face. Just because I don't like when stuff gets on my hairline. What I use to wash my face, sometimes I use this little brush face thing, and then sometimes I just use my hands, but today I think I'm gonna use my brush. Okay, so next I'm just going to put some stuff on my pimples so I can try to get this under control. I stopped doing my skincare for like 2 weeks because I was lazy, and my face has literally suffered from it. That, and I don't drink enough water. And that is pretty much all I do. Now I'm going to go relax, get my Chick-fil-A because I got Chick-fil-A on the way home from work, and get ready for The Bachelor. It's around 7:36, somewhere around that time. 7:34. Dun dun dun. Got my Coke. I was supposed to take my medicine at like 6:30, but I forgot. I always forget this pill, so we're gonna take it now. I'm so excited for The Bachelor. And stream on Hulu. Okay, I just finished watching The Bachelor. It was a good one. That was a lot of drama going on, especially with like Shanae. But comment down below if you guys watched The Bachelor and who was your favorite contestant on The Bachelor. Anyways, I'm about to get ready for bed. It is 10 o'clock. I need to get my work clothes for tomorrow morning, so I go to work at 7, so I'm just going to pick out my work clothes. I keep my work clothes in my sister's closet. My sister doesn't live here anymore, but I just keep them in her closet, so let's go pick out my work clothes. Have no idea what I'm wearing. Actually, yes I do. I think I'm gonna put this top on just because I really like it, unless I find something better. Okay, we got the clothes. I don't know why, but I'm low-key excited to go to work tomorrow. Make it make sense. But yeah, I'm about to head off to bed, so I have to wake up at 5:30. So let me just set that alarm right now. Low-key, I set like 8 alarms just to make sure that I get up in time. I mean, I always wake up in time, but I'm like paranoid. So I just set multiple alarms and I set an alarm on my watch as well. Just, I'm a legit psychopath. But yeah, I need to take the stuff off my bed and hit the hay. Since I'm freezing 24/7, I always have to turn my heated blanket on. And now we're ready for bed. It's 10:12. Homegirl needs to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I decided to do it vlog style. I like morning routines and night routines like that. I want it to be like realistic and what I really do. So I'm sorry that it wasn't very aesthetically pleasing, but I wanted something real. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. And I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys!